BandLab versus Reaper. Which DAW should you use? Choosing the right digital audio workstation can completely change how you create music without getting bogged down by complex setups. BandLab offers cloud-based ease, while Reaper delivers powerful customization. BandLab and Reaper are both digital audio workstations designed for music production, but they differ fundamentally. BandLab is a free cloud-based platform focused on collaboration and accessibility, whereas Reaper is a highly customizable, professional-grade software optimized for local, in-depth audio editing. BandLab is a free cloud-based digital audio workstation that allows users to create, edit, and share music directly from a web browser or mobile app. It works by providing an intuitive interface with multi-track recording, virtual instruments, and effects, all accessible online without installation. Its strengths lie in seamless collaboration, easy sharing, and cross-platform access, making it ideal for musicians who want to work remotely or with others in real time. However, BandLab's cloud dependency can limit offline work, and it may lack some advanced audio editing features found in desktop DAWs. Its ideal user is a beginner to intermediate musician or producer looking for a straightforward collaborative environment without the need for complex setup or hardware. Reaper is a professional digital audio workstation known for its extensive customization and powerful audio and MIDI editing capabilities. It installs locally on your computer, offering deep control over recording, mixing, and mastering with support for a wide range of plugins and formats. Reaper's strengths include low system resource usage, flexible routing, and an active user community providing scripts and extensions. It does require a learning curve and manual setup, which can be challenging for beginners. Licensing is affordable but not free, with a full-featured trial available. Reaper is best suited for experienced producers and engineers who want a lightweight yet highly adaptable DAW for detailed professional music production on Windows or Mac. BandLab and Reaper serve different needs in music production. BandLab excels in accessibility and collaboration, allowing users to work on projects anywhere with an internet connection, perfect for casual creators or teams spread across locations. Reaper, on the other hand, offers unmatched flexibility and depth to users who want full control over every aspect of their audio work, ideal for studio professionals or those focused on intricate production. The trade-off is between convenience and power. BandLab is simpler and free but limited offline, while Reaper demands setup and experience but rewards with extensive features and performance. Choosing depends on whether you prioritize ease and collaboration or detailed, hands-on production. Choose BandLab if you want a free, easy-to-use platform for collaborative music creation with cloud access and minimal setup, especially for beginners and remote teams. Opt for Reaper if you need a powerful, customizable DAW for professional-grade production and detailed editing on your local machine. Its flexibility and performance make it a top choice for serious producers who want full control over their music projects.